everybody, welcome to Rust Belt Builds. Today we're here in Columbus, Ohio at the Jeg store, and we got a little envelope here. We're gonna spend some money. We're gonna get some secret sauce for the Camaro, some extra little goodies for it. So stick around, find out what we bought. Come with us.
Was that Jessica built that?
Thank you, sir.
Of course.
Alright guys, we're back from Jeg's and it's time to check out our haul. So we'll start on the right side of the car here with Trevor, and he's going to let us know what we picked up and why we picked it up.
Alright, so bear with me because I'm sick as a dog, but I'm going to explain what we got here. So, for those of you who've been following the build, the car's currently got a 2500 stall in it, and we picked up this 3500 stall from Jeg's, which, if you guys don't know, going from a 2500 stall to a 3500 stall is a night and day difference, especially when you're in a full frame car like this, pushing about 400 horsepower, 450 horsepower. So, along with the stall converter, we got a new flex plate right here, because the one that's in it now, when we were installing the engine, it kind of got hung up between the trans and the block because something wasn't lining up back there. And when we finally got it corrected and we fired the car up, the flywheel, flex plate, was kind of smacking into the starter, which had clearance itself. So, along with that, we have these ARP flex plate bolts. Yeah, 12 points, no do. And then the car doesn't have an exhaust on it because it's currently open header, so it's loud. So we got these collectors with the O2 bungs, so he can put a O2 sensor in it to read the AFR when he gets that. So, if you want to explain to what we got over here on the other table of goodies.
Come on. Alright. We were thinking about it a long time. It's got 373 posi in it, but what's better than 373? I'll give you 3 seconds. 410 gears is what we got here. So we got a nice new set of 410s. And yeah, I think combination with the stall converter, the 410 gears, and then the other thing that we got, this thing will be rowdy on the street.
What could that be?
Like pulling the front wheels off the ground.
What's one thing that could do that?
Well, we got about 40% of a nitrous kit here that I picked up secondhand. So we got the nitrous and fuel solenoids, some wiring, some relays, bottle brackets. This plate I can't use for my setup, but I can sell it and go buy another plate. We have the nitrous actuator switch. The throttle switch goes to the carburetor. So this car is getting 410 gears, a 3500 stall, 3-inch exhaust, and nitrous. All right, everybody, here's an extra clip from another day. Here's another thing we got for the Camaro. We were talking about exhaust. So here it is. Got some exhaust here. And I open packages like a toddler. You don't have to remind me. So these are 3-inch in, 3-inch out. Knockoff Super Tims from Summit Racing. Got 2 of them. And I think these are gonna sound amazing on the small block. We got those collectors for these. So the idea is headers, collectors, straight pipe, Super 10, and then 45 pipe out in front of the tire. Not directly in front of the tire, but a little bit in front of the tire, shooting past the tire so we don't get no condensation on the tire itself. But yeah, here they are. I am satisfied. I actually got here in 1 day of ordering these things on standard shipping. So Summit Racing, thank you very much.
Perks of living in Ohio. Like the only perk of living in Ohio.
As expected, Summit Racing stickers. This is the only reason that I buy anything from Summit Racing or Jegs or Howard's or Iski Cams or Comp Cams or so. Stick around and figure out what the Camaro is going to sound like with these rowdy little bastards on here. And thanks for watching the video. So if you want to stick around, we're going to do videos on each of these installations. And that's it for now. So Rust Belt Builds on Instagram, Rust Belt Builds on YouTube. Like, comment, share it to Facebook, share it to your buddies that be building cars just like this. Your old head friends that want to see this young generation doing this. Go ahead, you know what to do. You know where to find us. And I'll see you in the next one.